Can you see it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This floor is not level at all. If you seek a level floor, I got a product for you. Sika Level. And primer too. So easy to use. Let me show you how to do it. First thing you're going to want to do when you are going to level a floor is you want to make sure you seal the perimeter. So what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use a waterproof sealant. I'm going to go around and I'm going to make sure that my barriers are sealed and all the perimeter doesn't let any water seep through. So caulking gun, a little bit of sealant. I'm just going to burn around the perimeter. Watch this. Now, of course, there's lots of products you could use. You could use spray foam. There are also products that are made specifically for this, but all I want to do is stop water from getting underneath. Make sure I seal those edges to make sure that none of that soupy concrete gets underneath, and then will give us little spots where we're not perfectly flat. The more you do this, the smoother your surface will be. Okay, it's all sealed up, but the thing we really got to focus on is make sure you vacuum this up. If there's any grease, anything like that, you're going to want to make sure you clean that off. So I'm going to take a vacuum, I'm going to clean this area off, and then I'm going to apply the primer. Okay, it's prime time, baby. Shake it up a little bit. We're going to pour this out. You can use a brush, you can use a roller, really anything you want. Just avoid ponding. That means pools of water. Nice thin coat. When it goes translucent, that means it's time to do the self-level. Oh, my back. Okay, once you've coated the whole floor, you're gonna wait probably about an hour or so. And when that goes from green to being transparent, it's time to self-level. Okay, now it's time to, oh, sorry about that. Now it's time to mix our self-leveler, and it's really simple. All you gotta do is mix one full bag with about 4 liters of clean water, mix it up for a while, and you're ready to pour it. It's the most satisfying thing in renovation. Okay, I've given this floor enough time to dry. It's still got a little greenish hue to it, but it's been drying for 3 or 4 hours, so I know it's ready to receive this self-leveler. I've mixed it up. I've mixed up a couple buckets, so let's get pouring. This is the best part. Got no tips for you, just enjoy. This is fun. Okay, 3 quick buckets. This floor is going to be flat when we come back tomorrow morning. That was it. That's all there is to it. If you seek a level floor, use Sika. You'll get it done in no time.